Your hips. It's a little bit cold outside. Please dance with us.
Oh my god. हाँ बहुत लंबा वेन है भाई.
Figure out the good column, and the column cannot be too big, and cardinality cannot be too small, because if you get it wrong, it's just going to go sideways and stop working. Liquid clustering allows you to basically sort of use your partitioning information as a hint, and then it's actually going to decide it by itself anyway. So that actually allows you to optimize performance dramatically, and at Heineken, if there are like files in a folder, it will auto-figure out the new files and only load the new files. You don't have to keep the track. So you can imagine how simple it is. Obviously, it also works for real streaming sources like Kafka, Event Hub, or the GCP, PubSub, and the other tools. So technically speaking, it's great for streaming ingestion. Also, since it uses the serverless, it auto-scales. So if you have more data, because maybe you are a retail business and you have to query for
Probably forgetting a very important step is also that these environments are really to create autonomy for our use cases and teams. A template, so that's called HIT, the Heineken Ingestion and Transformation Template, which is basically built around DLT. DLT is probably you know that, but it's a really great.
Thank you.